How to add music on Instagram Notes. In this video, I will be showing you how you can add music on your Instagram Notes. You can add whatever song or music you'd like to. For that, you need the Instagram app and make sure your Instagram is well updated. Now, click on the Instagram app and head on to your DM section in order to create a note. Then, click on your notes and this kind of thing will show up. All you need to do is click on the music icon as shown in the video and search for whatever music or songs you'd like to add on your notes. Once you have searched for the song, click on the desired music or song that you want to add on your story. Also, you can adjust the part of the song that you want to share. Click on the tick mark as shown in the video and then finally click on the share button on the top right corner. Now your Instagram Music's notes can be seen by your followers. Happy sharing, and that's all for the video. I'll see you guys in the next video very soon. Thanks for watching.